Hello, I'm Sadie, and I'm in Lois Knight Farm Garden. We manage this garden for wildlife and people, and it's a great place for children to come and visit on school trips and appreciate the abundance of wildlife that lives here. If you have a garden at home, there's lots you can be doing to help wildlife even at this time of year, and a lot of it involves being just a little bit lazier, which suits me just fine. As tempting as it is to clear away herbaceous borders, leaving them alone will allow decaying plants to act as a winter duvet for small mammals and mini beasts underneath. Hollow plant stems will provide nooks and crannies for invertebrates and solitary bees to overwinter in. Seed heads like teasel and this lavender are also a great food source for birds like goldfinches. If you have to deadhead, leave the cuttings somewhere safe so that any ladybirds or other invertebrates hiding inside them are left in peace. It's fine to sweep up leaves, but if you can make a little pile of them somewhere sheltered, it gives a great place for visiting hedgehogs or other small animals to shelter. And if you can leave a few where they fall, you'll be thanked by a whole host of mini beasts, including the humble earthworm, who will enjoy feasting on the leaf litter. Hedgehogs, grass snakes and certain bumblebees love compost bins, so if you've got one of these in your garden, try to make sure there's a way for them to get in, and try not to disturb it until around April, when all those animals should have finished their long winter snooze. You could also try leaving some stacked pots, some log piles and some bubble piles around for amphibians to shelter in. And if you've got a pond, now is a really good time to clear it of its debris so that it doesn't become toxic to any frogs or toads who may be overwintering in there. Oh, and of course we can't forget about the birds. Feeding them at this time of year is really important. Their natural food sources are starting to reduce and they need lots of energy to make it through the cold nights. It's also a good time of year to clean out nest boxes like this one, ready for the spring or an exceptionally cold night where a local blue tit or robin might need to take cover. If you'd like more information on wildlife gardening, in autumn or at any time of year, check out our website. It's full of really practical tips to make your garden as wildlife friendly as possible. Thanks for watching. Happy gardening.